Traveling during the holidays is thrilling but can quickly become overwhelming if you're not prepared. Here are some hidden gem travel hacks that most people overlook but can make a world of difference. Secret strategies for booking flights. Use VPNs for better deals. Airlines often show different prices based on your location. Switch your browsing location with a VPN to potentially access lower rates. Hopper's price predictions. Apps like Hopper not only send fare alerts, but also predict the best times to book for maximum savings. Airline refund policies. Some airlines refund the difference if prices drop after booking. Keep an eye out and claim it. Leverage credit cards for perks. Many credit cards offer travel insurance, lounge access, and free checked bags. Call your provider to see what's available to you. These perks are often unused. Optimize packing beyond rolling clothes. Vacuum-sealed bags. If you're bringing bulky items like winter gear, use vacuum-sealed bags to compress them. Dual-purpose items. Pack items that serve multiple functions, like a scarf that can double as a blanket or a jacket with hidden compartments for valuables. Alright, let's dive into mastering carry-on packing like a pro. First up, the tech pouch. Keep all your chargers, cords, and gadgets in one small bag to avoid fumbling during security checks. And don't forget your medicine must-haves. Even if you're feeling great, pack basics like pain relievers, motion sickness tablets, and throat lozenges. After all, holiday travel can be exhausting. Now let's talk about outsmarting the crowds. One clever trick is to check for secret security lines. Look for alternative security checkpoints, often at less busy terminals, to bypass long lines. And here's an early boarding hack. If you're in a rush, carry a medical mask or mention an ailment like back pain. Some airlines prioritize those needing extra assistance. Finally, let's navigate layovers wisely. Many airports now offer sleeping pods you can rent by the hour for rest during long layovers. And don't forget about hidden lounges. Use the Lounge Buddy app to find lesser-known lounges at your airport, some of which don't require premium memberships. Food prep that saves the day. Freeze any liquid snacks like yogurt or smoothies. TSA allows frozen items through security if they are solid. Pack a reusable, collapsible bowl for instant soups or oatmeal on the go. Many airport coffee shops will provide hot water for free. Stay updated with smart tools. Use FlightAware or TripIt for live updates, gate changes, and alternative flight options in case of delays. If your flight gets delayed or canceled, platforms like AirHelp can assist you in claiming compensation. Beat jet lag and travel fatigue. Upon arrival, spend at least 30 minutes in natural sunlight to reset your internal clock. If you're tired, limit naps to 20 minutes to avoid worsening jet lag. Alright, let's talk about how to protect yourself and your stuff. First, make digital copies of your important documents. Upload your passports, ID, and travel itineraries to a secure cloud storage like Google Drive. This way, you can access them easily from anywhere. Next, consider using Bluetooth trackers in your luggage. These can help you track your bags if they get lost. Now, let's move on to using free Wi-Fi without risks. If you find yourself at an airport with paid Wi-Fi, try adding JPG to the end of any URL to bypass the paywalls. This trick works in some locations. Alternatively, you can rent or buy a portable hotspot for secure internet access wherever you go. Finally, let's discuss money matters. To avoid ATM fees, use debit cards with global fee waivers or withdraw larger sums to reduce transaction costs. Also, beware of the dynamic currency conversion trap. Always choose to pay in the local currency when using your card abroad. It's usually cheaper. Find hidden gems. Connect with locals through apps like ShowAround or Airbnb experiences for authentic activities. Many airports like Singapore's Changi offer free city tours for long layovers. Take advantage. Safety first. Familiarize yourself with the emergency exits in your hotel. It's a 5-second habit that could save your life. Carry a compact personal alarm in your bag for added security when exploring new places. Keep your cool. Apps like Calm or Headspace offer quick breathing exercises to help you de-stress during unexpected delays. When things go awry, remind yourself of the joy waiting at your destination. It's all part of the adventure. By incorporating these lesser-known travel hacks, you'll not only breeze through the chaos of holiday travel, but also enjoy the journey. Share your favorite travel tip in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider travel insights. Safe travels and happy holidays.